What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back at one of the videos. And today we're going to be doing a review over the new Air Jordan 11 Breds, man. As y'all know, they did a shock drop on the Nike SNKRS app, and a lot of people took W's, but of course your boy took an L, man. I have not been, too lucky on the SNKRS app ever since I won the Air Jordan 1 low Travis Scott's, man. After that, it's been nothing but L's for me. Before we get too deep into this video, man, right now what I need you to do is subscribe right now to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, live stream, or post notification. And also follow me over on Instagram at DEVINTAGE, man. Link will be in the description box below. And right now while you at it, hit the like button. The goal for every video is 200 likes. And yeah, with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this quick review over these Air Jordan 11 Breds, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the first thing I wanted to point out was the difference from the box. In 2012, we had the red film over the shoes, and we had like the regular Air Jordan box. You flip it open, you didn't get the pull out, you didn't get nothing special with the box besides the red film on the inside. But this one came with nothing, man. It pretty much came in a regular like Air Jordan 12 box. Air Jordan 12s usually come with the brown top, and inside the box you get just nothing but this black tissue paper, man. So that's it with the box. That's a huge difference from the 2012 pair. Let's check out the official colorway, man. Air Jordan 11 Retro, black, true red, and white, man. These retail for 220 bucks. Check out the size label. Check out the retail price. They're slowly increasing, man. I remember the Air Jordan 11 prom nights was going for like 250 right off rip, man. And I was like, what is going on? Why does the prices keep hiking up? They keep fluctuating from between like 220, 225. You got 250 with the prom night 11s. It's just like, damn, just like keep it at a steady price, keep it like $200, please. They're breaking people's pockets. But here we have it, man. Air Jordan 11 Breds, the 2019 edition. You got that high cut patent leather on the side, man. I want to pull out the 2012 pair as well, which y'all see behind me. You can already tell the huge difference between the patent leather cut. Right here, as you can see, is way higher than the 2012 pair. Pretty sure everybody knows that. That is something worth mentioning, man, the difference in cut with the patent leather. Of course, up top, man, you got that ballistic mesh going all throughout the upper of the Air Jordan 11. You have a red Jumpman on the back. Of course, you got the 2-3 in the back, and everybody wanted to get stitched in, but they didn't do it like they did the Space Jam 11s, man. They gave us just a regular embroidered 2-3, and everybody knows that's gonna start cracking. Mine still hasn't started cracking on my 2012 pairs, but I ain't been wearing these a lot like I should. Now that these have came out, I can start wearing my 2012 pair, man. Start putting some miles on these, put some steps in these. But I wish they did stitch in that 2-3 on the back right there. Checking out the midsole, man, you can see you got that all white midsole. Pretty much the same as your 2012 pair, and something that's very different from the 2012 pair from this one is the carbon fiber plate, man. As you can see right here, you got that like strong white and black carbon fiber plate, but on the 2012 pair you can kind of tell a huge difference. This is white and this one is gray, man. So you got a gray and black carbon fiber plate on this one, and you have a white and black carbon fiber plate on this one. Of course, you got your Jumpman down there on the outsole, all red with your 2 black pods. Checking out the laces, man, you get those thick laces that you always get with your Air Jordan 11s. Nothing crazy with the tips or anything like that. And on the tongue as well, man, you got that Air Jordan down there. On the inside of the shoe, you get a red insert just like the 2012 pair, and you have a Nike Air on the insole, man. Check it out, check it out. All in all, I was glad that Jordan Brand brought these back. They finally gave us something that people have been asking for a long time. And since 2012, that's 7 years that we have not got another release of the Breds, but they brought it back. I'm happy. Cannot wait to get my pair. Shouts out to ETS Minor. I should put this in the beginning of the video, man. Shouts out to you, bro, for letting me review these on the channel, showing my subscribers, showing the Vintage gang. Appreciate it, bro. He always shows support. I will link him in the description box below so y'all can go give him a follow over on Instagram, man. So shouts out to ETS Minor. That is it for the review. You guys stay tuned for, the pickup vlog. I got to get like 2 pair of these things, man. Like I gotta go crazy with these. This is my favorite Air Jordan 11. And you guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned for the on feet I do with these Breds, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this review. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment down below and let me know if you hit on the early shock drop. And let me know if you're going to be going after this pair. I know a couple people's already like, they got the 2012 pair. They still look good, so there's no point in them getting these. So let me know if you're going to be going after these guys. I appreciate all of the support. And with all that being said, man, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.